Here's a great way for your business to make more while doing less. And it's a lot more affordable than you might think. It's perfect for any business owner that could sometimes be distracted from receiving new business on the phone because you're doing fulfillment of your work. A plumber sweating pipes, a realtor showing houses, a roofer installing shingles, a car dealer on a test drive, or anyone who might get money calls after hours. Everyone knows if you can't make it to the phone, the customer hangs up and calls your next competitor. That means lost revenue. Unless you have automated missed call text back, which instantly engages your new customer in a back and forth text conversation without you doing anything, even sending appointment links, answering questions, or whatever they need to stay happily engaged until you can personally reach out. Caller information is automatically collected in an app and you're immediately notified. Feel free to reach out by call or text anytime in order to find out more. But wait, there's more, and it's free. Stopping the financial bleeding of losing revenue with our deal-saving, money-making super solution is great, and customers will love this too. And here are 5 more profit-boosting solutions for free if you reach out to us by the deadline on this page. Freebie 1, a unified inbox which conveniently and immediately alerts you in one central place when you receive a message through any channel you use without having to constantly check Facebook, Instagram, email, WhatsApp, or web chat. Freebie 2, call tracking. Ever wish you could know which advertising dollars bring the best returns and which ones would be a waste of your money? Assigning different lines to your Google business profile, your signage, your Facebook ads, or wherever your contact info may appear will turbocharge your marketing and save you tons of money and make your business run at peak efficiency. Freebie 3, installation of a chatbot on your Google business profile. Freebie 4, installation of a chatbot on your website. Can people currently text you to give you money? And Freebie 5, by starting now, you'll automatically be in our ambassador program. So if you happen to mention to someone that you love our service and they sign up, we'll reward you. It could even make this whole system free. And considering that these free bonuses could replace services you're already paying hundreds per month for, you could realize an immediate profit the moment you get started. So to summarize, you'll never lose a customer or customer information again. That's great peace of mind. Call this demo number now to watch it work on your phone.